everybody, today is my 3-day, so it's my 72-hour update on wearing my 2 different lace adhesives. On this side over here, I have Bold Hold Active, and on this side over here, I use Ghost Bond XL. So as you can see, let me give you guys a really good view here. This is the side I've used the Ghost Bond, and I don't have any lifting after 3 days. Everything is nice and secure. This is my side where I use Bold Hold Active, and on this side over here I use Ghost Bond XL, and I have a little bit of lifting right here, right at the ear. This happened the first day, but since then it hasn't spread. I can press it down if I wanted to, but I wanted to show you guys the actual review. This side, when I put my makeup on, the glue got a little gummy. I'm not sure if you guys can really see that. This is not a paid or sponsored video. I'm just giving my honest review because my clients here ask me all the time what type of glues I should use. So this is 72 hours with Bold Hold XL and Ghost Bond XL and Bold Hold Active. I have a little bit of lifting here, but this side is still intact.